Yes, that's can be an interesting fix. Basically what's happening is the drive cup is skipping out. I don't know if I can maybe try and close it up a bit. And the axle's torque twisting sort of thing, which is pulling the drive shaft out. Also there's a lot of play in that wheel. So I'm not really sure. I think maybe just upgrading to metal parts inside. But I think that I don't think there's actually a grub screw that holds that on, so it's just like a push fit. And yeah, the push fit's already kind of wearing. But yeah, these things are peanuts, so that's kind of what you're going to get. But lovely looking thing still. Still drivable, just it's going to struggle with obstacles. So it's mostly, goes backwards fine, but it's mostly front wheel drive at the moment. Actually, it's quite durable. It's just the drivetrain isn't. Okay, so just a quick one. I just noticed that this under power was kind of popping out and flicking around, sort of thing. So it was like clicking and skipping. So I took the rear axle off and took it apart, and there's not a lot of grease in there. Plastic 5mm hex ends, which I'll be swapping out for the metal ones, probably from sort of WPL or something. Yeah, and what I found was that these screws on the end here were tight enough to the point that it was binding the axle. So as it was trying to drive, it was torque twisting these springs, which was then allowing the drive shaft to move and pull back. So hopefully now I've sort of loosened the screws off and it sort of spins quite easily, then that will sort that little issue. And now the other thing that I need to find out is which way the back axle goes. So in theory, if I turn this prop shaft, you see the wheels are going the wrong way. Yeah. So if I turn it the same way that the drive cup's going, or we can put it in the drive cup. I'm going to struggle to have enough hands here. So that's what's that. So if you see, the back wheels are going opposite the way to the front, and it's quite a common problem that people find, and they're always asking, how do you fix it? And the answer is to simply flip the axle over. So it was that way, and now we're going to put it back on this way. And you might think, why would that change anything? But back in place. And now you can see all the axles are going the right direction. So if you ever end up with the axles going the wrong way, you literally just flip it over. Because if I flip this back over now, so that way, put the drive shaft back in. See the axle's going the wrong way. So again, literally flip it over. And now but yeah, I'll just get this all screwed back together and we'll go from there.